Hi, my name is Dionne Vines. I am a registered nurse. I live in North Carolina. Originally, I was a travel nurse, and I have arthritis. And I was in California, and I was trying to find somewhere to go to build my body up for surgery. And I called an institution out in California, where can I go close? And this M.E.E.T ministry was not on the list. So I was talking to my sister, and she told me, oh, I want to go somewhere like that. I was supposed to go to another facility, and I was like, well, where do you want to go? And she was like, M.E.E.T ministry. I'm like, M.E.E.T ministry? I've never heard of M.E.E.T ministries before. M.E.E.T ministry was not even on the list of all of the institutions given. So the last week of March, prior to my ending my contract, I actually called and I spoke with some members from the team here. They prayed with me. They were so encouraging. And my sister and I were supposed to come together. So they actually called, and I think they said, we have 2 slots left for you and your sister. Great. I called my sister. I was like, let's go. And she got in touch with me like 24 hours later. And unfortunately, she wasn't able to come. So I was like, Lord, I'm going on my own. So I flew from California. I ended my contract on April 2nd, went home to North Carolina, and April 9th, I flew out here. So since I've been here, I've always been kind of down and dismal thinking about surgery. I've never wanted to have surgery. I've never even spent the night in the hospital. So, but since I've been here, the treatment, the reception, the love, it's like mentally I'm focused. I'm more ready to have surgery than I probably could ever be mentally. They help me physically. They help me with my pain. My pain is so controlled. I'm actually bone on bone. So the pain is so manageable here with the therapies. So I thank God that I came. I thank God my pain is controlled. And not to mention I'm down 13 pounds. So with this plan, I do plan on resuming this plan and to continue to lose weight until my surgery. I have, 3 more weeks? So I have all the confidence in M.E.E.T ministry. The prayer, it's like you can take prayer for granted sometimes, but when you're focused and when God is in the midst, the prayers, the singing, the reading, it's just so healing. It's healing. So I just enjoy the water therapy, the massage, and just the people that I've met. These will be lifelong friends. So I want to thank M.E.E.T ministry for helping me reach my goal prior to surgery as well as after surgery. I have so much to look forward to, and I will be back. So if anyone's out there doubting about where they should come, or if you're torn, pray, continue to pray, and honestly and earnestly pray and tell God what's on your heart. Tell him what you want, and he will make a way. I honestly believe that. Not only do I believe it, but I've lived it, and I'm living it now. So God can do anything but fail. And with M.E.E.T ministry and the information that they have, it's like I'm entering to a whole different world, and I'm looking forward to it. So thank you, M.E.E.T Ministries.